Hello everybody. Hopefully you're having a good day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade refried beans. Now, of course you're going to need homemade beans. So if you want to know how to make frijoles de la olla, homemade beans, just go ahead and view my other video that I posted regarding how to make homemade beans in the pot. Now when you want to make refried beans, you're going to have to get a pan, heat it up, pour some oil in there. You're gonna have to get some beans. Put the beans inside the oil. Make sure it's not on high, it's on low because there's water in the beans. You don't want the oil to be popping on you. Lower it down a bit. You can add a little bit of juice or more juice. If you add less juice, comes out drier. If you add more juice, comes out a little bit, comes out a lot better. Now after you stick the beans to cook, after you put the beans in the pan with the hot oil to cook, add a little bit of salt. You can get your bean smasher, okay? And smash the beans just like so. And you can make them as smashed as you want. Smash a little bit, smash a lot, it just depends. And once you're done smashing them, you're going to put the pan on medium to medium low. Let the beans simmer for a few minutes. If you want them refried, where they're darker, you can cook them as long as you want. Me, I don't like too much. I like mine just like that. You can use refried beans for bean tostadas, bean tacos with some salsa, and queso fresco on it, and some cheese. Hey, great. Now that the refried beans are done, you can get a homemade corn tortilla, put some beans on it. It's just a little snack. Now you're gonna dress it up with some spicy salsa, mild or spicy, or non-spicy, however you guys want. You guys wanna know how to make salsa? Go ahead and look at any one of my videos on how to make homemade salsa. Put as much or as little as you want. Now, you can get some queso fresco, which in Spanish is called fresh cheese, Mexican cheese. Sell at any grocery store, Mexican grocery store preferred, but they pretty much sell these at any grocery store. Voila. There is your queso fresco burrito. Now let's see how this came out. Good. There goes your refried beans with some salsa, some Mexican cheese, some queso fresco. There's your snack. So, hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys like my cooking too. Subscribe, like, share. You know what to do. Look at my other videos as well. You can be a pro just like me. You ain't never gonna be hungry no more. Know how to make your own food. Eat takeout food less. Takeout food's nasty. Even these Mexican restaurants that say that they make authentic Mexican food tastes like crap still.